DRIL has crossed rivers and lakes, moving over the meandering Brahmaputra. The Guwahati Ropeway, India's longest river ropeway, transports you to distant lands beyond. DRIL has crossed forests and gardens, gliding through the sky. The Nandan-Kanan Ropeway reveals a breathtaking tapestry of nature's wonders. DRIL has crossed mountains. Tawang Ropeway at 11,000 feet above sea level, amongst the highest in the world. To reach the heart of a devotee, eliminating thousands of steps, hours of waiting. Our Vaishno Devi, Devas, Pushkar, Chitrakoot, Maihar ropeways seamlessly ferry millions of passengers year after year.
जय माता दी। भैरव बाबा के दर्शन के लिए जाते हैं, जो पहले हमें इतना कठिन लगता था, अब वो इतना आसान हो गया है इस रोपवे से कि जहाँ पे मेरे को 3-4 घंटे लगते थे, अभी वो एक तरह से मतलब 15-20 मिनट में हमारा ये सफर तय हो जाता है।
To uplift the soul of a weary traveler. Ah, accessibility. Ah, what a view. Ah, a delightful experience.
The view of Aravali Hills and the Patasagar Lake was really great.
To escape the urban chaos, soaring above the city, the Gangtok Ropeway, India's first mass urban transport system, lightens not only the traffic, but also the soul.
The views are fantastic. All the staff are very helpful and very security conscious and so smooth. It's great, it's like flying.
मैं बहुत खुश हूँ यहाँ आके कि मैं इतने भारी वजन के साथ नीमच माता आ पाई।
जब हम कभी नीचे से गुजरते थे, जब माता जी का पहाड़ी देखते थे, हम कभी सोचे भी नहीं थे कि हम माता जी के दर्शन कर पाएंगे।
Yes, pilgrims, tourists and locals, young and old, able-bodied and differently abled, pregnant women journey with ease to the highest places of worship and beauty, where their footsteps may never have treaded before.
Those times when there were no mobile phones, there were no connectivity, project management itself was a big challenge. Material ropeways all used to come in areas which had hardly any connectivity. From day one, I got involved in passenger ropeways.
As early as 1992, Damodar Ropeways and Infrastructure Limited, DRIL, made its first ski lift and chair lift at Auli, and thereafter many more passenger ropeways followed. DRIL has made more than 26 passenger ropeways all over India, and out of which is operating 14 ropeways. A visionary, our founder, Shri C.L. Chamaria, a man with boundless foresight, transformed an industry, turning an idea into a legacy serving millions, connecting distant lands and dreams alike. A firm believer of not only lifting people, but also uplifting people.
We feel people are our biggest assets. Unless we have the right people in the right place, you cannot achieve whatever you want to achieve. DRIL always endeavors to pick up the best people in the industry.
The new recruits are sent to various DRIL sites across the country, so that they are trained in all the different ropeway systems. Monocable detachable, monocable fixed grip pulsated, single track jig back, twin track jig back, bi-cable detachable, and so on. DRIL has built a strong team of people who have stayed and grown with the company.
So we have a systematic way of doing this. We assign mentors to them according to their needs and their requirements, their abilities and their potential. We groom them, provide them the best opportunities to grow. When the people grow, the company grows.
At DRIL, a combination of seasoned experts and young engineers work together in a continuous process of shared learning to create milestone projects.
The resilience and the fortitude of all the 500 people that are working together can be seen in the fact that we have built 2 ropeways which we inaugurated during COVID. We have built ropeways during the unrest that was happening in Jammu and Kashmir. We have built ropeways in the coldest regions of the country, in Auli, in snowfall in other parts of Himachal and Uttarakhand. And now we are looking to build in the hottest part of the country with the highest temperatures.
DRIL has been involved in construction of almost 2.1 kilometer long detachable ropeway in Namchi, longest ropeway in India at that time. Guwahati Ropeway, which is almost 1.8 kilometer long. It needed a pillar in the middle of the Brahmaputra, which has a very high water flow and very rough. In the rainy season, you can't work, so you get to work only 6 to 8 months in a year. The ropeway was going above an ASI monument, so getting that clearance, ASI department, clearances to get the pillar made in the middle of Brahmaputra river was itself a big project. Vaishno Devi, the most modern state-of-the-art project in collaboration with Garaventa. All the work at site was done by DRIL, from civil work to erection work to commissioning. Here, even the lower station, you had to climb 14 kilometers to take the material. Biggest challenge was to carry the rope, which you cannot cut. It has to be in one piece. Without the helicopter, the way it was carried in itself a big achievement.
The construction of our most recent ropeway in Imphal, Manipur was commendable, despite the extremely difficult and volatile situation in the state. India, where diverse landscapes, cultures and governance often test endurance. DRIL, since 1974, has connected people with places, making the impossible reachable, the unreachable accessible.
We've tried to use IT in every aspect of Damodar Ropeways, the safety part, the operation part, but also about the passenger experience.
Passenger experience starts with seamless booking of tickets, be it package tickets, monthly passes, or group tickets. We have multiple options of booking through our website, WhatsApp, or via telebooking, besides on-site spot booking, catering to the requirement of every passenger.
यात्रियों को भीड़ से बचने के लिए हम लोगों ने QR सिस्टम रख रखा है.
We have created an online real-time ticketing system where all our ticket booths, whether at sites or even at railway stations and airports, all across the country are synced. We are automating the O&M system, looking at data real-time, doing predictive analysis, taking proactive steps, making the entire system far more efficient and safe. Daily field report is generated for every site with details of the maintenance and inspection on every part of the ropeway.
हम लोग प्रिवेंटिव मेंटेनेंस सुबह मॉर्निंग में करते हैं, पैसेंजर चालू करते हैं, 2 टाइम मेंटेनेंस होता है.
We have a continuous system of inspection, and this is also monitored through an app where each item has a inspection or a QAP fed into the system, which will tell you how and when each stage of inspection has to be carried out, and all of this is captured with dimensions, chemical testing, photographs and videos. So the complete evidence of every item is then documented as well.
There is an inspection alert system for daily, weekly, monthly and yearly inspection of critical parts of the ropeway, where an alert is automatically generated as a reminder at all sites. At DRIL, there is high-quality procurement of material, as safety is of primary importance. All ropeway components are of high grade and state-of-the-art technology. The best mechanical and electrical engineers are a part of our purchase team.
The ropeways are one of the most challenging infra projects. The ropeway only comes in play when no other mode of transport is possible.
It's a very complex amalgamation of all different types of engineering. Civil engineering, to electrical, to electronic, to mechanical, to structural. Every type of engineering is encompassed here. We are using a lot of information technology. IT engineering is also coming as part of the whole thing.
Being the number one company, it's our responsibility that we adapt the latest technology, spend on R&D and innovative ideas. We also collaborate with our foreign partners and we try to bring best practices to DRIL.
Udaipur Ropeway, which has been supported 2 columns, and the entire operating floor is free from encumbrances, and the building surrounding this ropeway structure is beautifully designed as per the required architecture.
Our design team has decades of experience, along with a strong background in engineering. Hence, it is able to create the most stable and magnificent structures in all our sites.
Before we start a project, so we send the design team, we send the project team, because each ropeway is a tailor-made project. So each ropeway is to be conceptualized individually. We have a brainstorming session with having our passengers, their convenience in mind, their safety in mind. We design the systems.
DRIL has the highest safety record in India. And how did we achieve this?
Because we've been doing this for 50 years. How do we get the consistency to do this? So the number one thing, it's a very proactive thing. We are thinking about it 24/7 and everybody in the team is thinking about safety. We are market leaders in creating safety in ropeways.
Safety is concerned, ropeways evolved in India. We were one of the first to venture into passenger ropeways in India, and there were no guidelines as far as safety is concerned. So we created our own guidelines. IS code has come as late as 2019 July. Before that, we were the first company to implement NDT test of the rope and all the critical parts. We have a record of 99.9% safety despite highest number of ropeways under operations. And when the IS code was being prepared as a torch bearer for the industry, our personnel were involved in making those IS codes, which is now followed by each and every ropeway in India.
हमारा एक्सपर्ट टीम है जो कंटिन्यूअसली ऑब्जर्वेशन में रखता है, जो विथिन 1 आवर की विथिन 2 आवर का अंदर जो भी प्रॉब्लम है उसको सॉर्ट आउट कर लेता है.
Various ways in which you can make every single pilgrim, every single devotee, every single tourist's journey far more pleasant. People need to go back with a memory. We encourage people to use the hashtag Ropeways in India to upload their stories, making the voice of the people more relevant. With almost 200 cumulative years of expertise in operation and maintenance, as the fastest growing ropeway company in India, with 39 projects and counting, we have constructed 16 out of 34 Indian ropeways since 2015. Today, DRIL's impact echoes across India, from distant temples to bustling tourist spots, bridging distances and connecting lives. We have been awarded the prestigious Brands of Asia Award by Bark Asia in recent times.
with the correct partners and with the correct projects, the company is going to achieve a turnover around 150 crores to 175 crore in 2 to 3 years.
We are India's only company to complete 3 successful hybrid projects. Partnered with global experts, we deliver Sen standard ropeways that blend world-class precision with local excellence.
Of course, we have the largest number of material ropeways and passenger ropeways. As far as projects or installations are concerned,
ये रोपवे बनने से बहुत अच्छा हो गया। भक्तों की तादाद बढ़ रही है, दर्शन लाभ ले रहे हैं। बुजुर्ग जो चल फिर नहीं सकते वो भी मंदिर पर पधार रहे हैं।
Wherever a ropeway graces the landscape, it breathes new life into the local economy. Tourism flourishes, businesses thrive, and countless opportunities arise, weaving a tapestry of growth and prosperity. Every installation becomes a beacon of hope, creating livelihoods both directly and indirectly, and empowering communities to bloom.